Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today we're going to do a comparison between two clamp meters that's very new to the market. On my left here is the SOUTHWIRE Maintenance Pro Series, model number 23070T, and to the right of it is the Amazon commercial, model number 80CM800. Both of them are true RMS clamp meters. One is rated for 1000 amps AC and DC, and one is rated for 600 amps just AC. They both are featured packed clamp meters. The SOUTHWIRE, I'm gonna call out a few. That's right here, the features. It has a Hertz AC, Hertz volts, AC, DC volts, continuity, ohms, diode testing. They have capacitance testing. They have duty cycle, Hertz. They have temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. They have 600 amp, and the max is 1000 amp. They also have a min-max feature, a relativity feature. They also have a flashlight, a work flashlight, which is right here in the back. If you guys can see it, but that's work flashlight, and a non-contact voltage detector. They have a hold button and auto power off, and that's about it. Doesn't have an inrush or anything like that, and but it should have had one to say it's a Maintenance Pro Series. Now the Amazon, it has a VFD measurement, Hertz, duty cycle, AC volts, DC volts, diode testing, continuity testing, capacitance testing, temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. They have a 60 amp minimum and a 600 amp minimum. They both are AC. They also have a flashlight on this one. Let me just turn it on. Make sure I got it right. There we go. Flashlight on this one. I don't know, just to show you, I don't know which one is the brightest to you. To me, it seems like the SOUTHWIRE is the brightest, but I could be wrong. The diameter right here of the glass is a little bit wider than the one on the Amazon, but it seems to me that the SOUTHWIRE may be a little bit brighter. That's just my opinion. And they also have a range feature. They have a, like I said, VFD mode. They have inrush and a relativity mode on here, and also have a hold and a non-contact voltage detector. Now, with that being said, also what I'm going to do, I'm going to send it through some AC voltage measurements, and just to have a reference meter, I'm going to use this FLIR, just so we can have something to reference both values that this pick up to, and see which one that is the closest to what I'm putting out with this variac transformer over here. So I'm gonna just set this up, turn this on. Let's see, turn this one on to volts. Okay, put the backlight on. I don't know right how long it's going to stay on, but okay. Okay. Turn it on right now. Okay, here we are. Some voltage to it. I'm just turning the dial in no particular voltage. Make sure I got this right. AC voltage, 23, 23. Let me see why it's not picking it up. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna stop a minute and I'm gonna see. Let it settle for a second. The SOUTHWIRE at the moment is reading 40.8. The Amazon is 40. No, it's down. Okay, it's fluctuating, but this is what they're both are reading, and that's what it's reading up there. Let me turn it on so you can see. Okay. So I think both of them are spot on. The one that's behind is this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since this one, okay, so I'm gonna go up a little bit more. We'll see where that settles at. That settles on. Okay, here we are. 86.7 and the Amazon 86.0 and the FLIR is 86.6 up at the top would be 86.7. So I'm gonna give it to the SOUTHWIRE on that one. Okay, we'll go up a little bit higher. We'll go all, give it all they got just for the sake of time. 150. The FLIR is 148.26. It's 149 now. And these read 150. Okay. 150.5, 150.7, I mean 148, 149, 150. They all within spec. So let's try something else. We'll try Hertz. See if I can find Hertz on here. Okay, Hertz at the top. This is Hertz here. Hertz. And that's Hertz. Okay. 59. 0.99, 59.96, 59.96, and that's 59.98. I think they all did pretty good. These two are exactly the same. That one is a little bit off then from these, up by 0.3. Okay, I think that's good enough reading. So now let me try something else. We're gonna do some DC voltage testing. Take this out of here. Okay. DC. DC, DC. At the moment, the power supply reads 13.0. That's 13 volts DC. And that's this is 13 volts DC. I'm just turning the dial and see what it lands on. 24.4. This is the SOUTHWIRE is accurate. This is 24.5. Still would be within spec, and the flare is 24.4. It's exactly right what it says up here. So the SOUTHWIRE would beat that one. That's high as it can go is 29.8. They're all saying 29.9, which is a good reading. So they all did fairly well with that. So let me get this out of the way. Take these out of the way. Do a little capacitance testing, and okay. Give me a second, y'all. I just had these leads thrown on the table. I should have had them ready, but I didn't. Okay, we're going to use this capacitor, Old Faithful, which is a 30 plus 5 microfarad capacitor. Let me just shorten it out, and I'm going to do a capacitance test. Okay, 5 microfarads for the fan, and that's 30 for the horn. So now I'm gonna record the 30, and we'll see what we got. That reads right at the moment. That reads 4.9. That's for the fan. 29. All right, save that reading. Shorten it out again. Okay. No, I have it right. .9. That's good. And this is the Herm. .9.7. I'm gonna hold that. These are the two readings. They both did spec, but closer to the 30 would have been Amazon. Okay. Now let's do a continuity test, just to see how quick it picks up. Okay, this is the SOUTHWIRE. It's kind of hard to tell because the buzzer is just dragging behind it. But anyway, it's not really latching, but it's okay. You know, it's quick. Let's do the Amazon. Let me see how well that does. That's latching, and that's really quick. Really quick. So I would say I would go with the Amazon on that one. Let me get I have 2 thermocouples, and I bought some water right here, and I just want to see how well it does with it on a temperature test. I have the same kind of thermocouple. I have 2 from Fluke, and I want to see just how well it does. Okay, I'm gonna hold it down until about 5 seconds, and I'm gonna just record the reading, whatever it says. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna hold it up in a minute. One says 86. One says 80. I think they've been in there long enough to so I'm gonna take one of these off, and I'm just gonna see. One say 80, 86, and one say 80. So there we go. I'm gonna record that. And it looks like that's the I mean, it went down. It was 8 showing 80. Let me just go again. Well, anyway, it's showing 81, and the Amazon showed 80. The SOUTHWIRE showed 86. So the Amazon got that. It got that. Okay. Let me see what else I can tell you about this thing. We did the hertz. We did volts, AC, DC, continuity, capacitance, temperature. As far as robustness, one of my viewers recommended me. I recommend that I guess I could. I wish I could. A guy, Joe Smith, so could test this thing for robustness. I don't have the setup that he have, but Joe, if you're listening, I sure hope you get one of these things, man. These clamp meters from Amazon, so we can see just how well it do. I don't think it will hold up in the industrial environment. I think it's more like for a do-it-yourselfer. But if you're listening, Joe, get one of these Amazons, man, and try it out. Just send it through the ringer, and we'll see what happens. Thanks, TP. But anyway, which one feel the most rugged? Well, I think it's this one by a long shot. I'm gonna do a weigh-in. I didn't do that yet, just to see which one would be the heaviest. But this feels much lighter. Mm. 11.15 ounces. .1 ounce. Okay, this is much heavier. It feels much heavier. It feels much rugged, more rugged than this one. Again, this I don't think is built for industrial, but it does give good measurement. It hung in with hit this. This seems like you can drive a nail into a board with this one. It's just how it feels. Now, I don't have all the features that I would have liked. It's missing the inrush, but still, all in all, this SOUTHWIRE feels much better and much more rugged than this one. I think this would be a good one for a homeowner, do-it-yourself, or even a mechanic, in a shop that doesn't really rely on or do too much electrical. But I think this will be okay. Okay, fellas. So I just want to thank you guys for lending me your time, and like always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Get connected to the channel. Leave a comment if you want to do that also. Hit the share, the like button. All of this, what I'm asking you to do, helps the channel out. So if you don't mind helping out, do one of the above what I just asked. Thank you guys. And in the meantime, you guys stay healthy, and take care. Peace out.